Group 3. My name is Algi.
Hi, I'm Faza.
Hello, I'm Adit.
And I'm Nisa.
And my name is Chico.
Guys, what need to tell Velox? Focus on the of the game.
What shall we do to improve our focus?
We shall reduce training intensity because we are too tired.
How can we present muscle crabs?
You should drink more water because dehydration causes cramps.
Do you think our schedule is too intense?
Yes, we should end recovery because the schedule is too tight.
We should also stretching after practice because it prevents injuries.
So we reduce intensity, drink more water, eat rice, and stretch more. Agreed?
I agree.
That's our discussion.
Thanks for watching.